In this video, we're going to work on a subtraction problem. So if we have a question like this that says fill in the missing number, and we have 9,225 minus a mystery number has to equal 2,827. So how are you going to solve that? So a way to do this is step by step, and make sure to follow all of the steps. And the first step is find the number that makes the subtraction sentence true. So we could rewrite the above problem like this. It'll look like this. So 9,225 minus the purple question mark, which is supposed to be this purple box, right? The purple number equals 2,827. So we just need to figure that out. So the next step is you subtract the answer from both sides. So how does that look? So that's going to look like this. 9,225 minus the question mark minus the answer equals the answer minus the answer. So you do this to both sides to balance out both sides of the equation. So you have to keep this in mind later when you learn more complicated equations. But for now, we can just calculate this out. So if you use your calculator, or if you use some of the other lessons that I taught you on subtraction, to subtract 9,225 minus 2,827, you're left with 6,398 minus the mystery number. Then when you subtract these two numbers, you get 0. So how do we solve now for question mark? So step 3. We know that question mark will be equal to 6,398 because we know 6,398 minus 6,398 equals 0. So this is the question mark we're looking for, right? And so let's circle that. This is our answer. Okay, so if you get confused, just rewatch the video and watch it again. You're probably just about to understand it and one explanation away.